Previously on Inside Look. The Neighborhood Ventures team checked out an 8-unit property located just south of Old Town Scottsdale. Because of the proximity to all that Old Town Scottsdale has to offer, they decided to turn the property into the Neighborhood Ventures' first short-term rental property.
Not enough capital? No renovation experience? No time to find that perfect deal? Reasons why everyone isn't making money in Arizona's booming real estate market. Finally, a chance for a passive investor to capitalize on Arizona real estate. Jamison, Wall Street experience to oversee, format, and structure the finances. Rocky, designs and lays out renovations that completely transform. John, buying and selling real estate in the Valley for 25 years. He identifies the properties that are home runs. Neighborhood Ventures, welcome to the team.
So here in Tempe at ASU's pool, doing Crosswim, something I've been doing for just over a year. And it's a new workout where it's basically CrossFit and swimming together. So I thought I would show everybody kind of what this workout's like. As you can see, this is a beautiful area. Nice 60-degree day out in the pool in Tempe, you can't beat it.
But then how this works in general, we're gonna start right here. We've got 40 burpees. We're gonna swim at 25, 30 burpees, swim at 25, 20, swim at 25, and 10. And then we'll be done, and then we're into the supersets. Okay, so make sure we're all grouped back up.
It is hard.
5 seconds.
40 burpees?
Yeah, that's a lot. Ready? Go! Oh, nice. Yeah. Well, you're here for a workout, right?
So I studied finance in college, went to University of Utah, and after college I ended up working at Goldman Sachs. I was an equity analyst. So if you've ever seen the buy, sell, hold ratings that the investment banks put on companies, my team were the ones that decided whether a company should be buy, sell, or hold. Around that same time I had began investing in commercial real estate. The first project that I invested in was a 10-unit building in Idaho, just outside of my hometown. And I really loved the process of analyzing and buying a real estate asset. And I knew I wanted to go into real estate and to do real estate investing.
Yeah. There has to be some period where we're moving through this at a faster pace.
And I was specifically drawn to new ways to raise capital, and that's where crowdfunding commercial real estate projects started coming together for me, and I got really excited about the opportunity to use crowdfunding to do commercial real estate projects.
Google will respond. Right to Google.
All right, so we're here a day before the offering goes live. It goes live tonight at midnight, and we're launching it on a Saturday morning. We hope most of our investors are usually home on Saturdays and over the weekend, so that's where we get most of our traction.
Okay, so this is the logo? Yes, that's what I got so far. So we have the pin and the V venture, but I kind of had to make 66 a little bit bigger.
The way that we do this is we put everything online so that our investors can invest directly. They can also call us, they can come into meetings and learn more about the project, but we put everything online so that they can make a decision based on all that information that's already there. There's too much before we get to the meat of this. I just want this to be easy to see.
Okay.
And then if you scroll down, and then let's add the
video here.
Link to the video. Kind of the key thing about this offering is it's an opportunity for people to invest in an Airbnb project with a passive investment. So maybe some folks own an Airbnb property and they manage themselves. This is the first that I know of where you can invest in an Airbnb project. It's 8 units, all in one complex, and you can invest in it in a passive way. And so what we're doing is we pay a 12% preferred annual return to our investors. We expect that it's a 2-year hold period. So at the end of that period, you would get all your principal back and you would get recouped whatever else is due for you to hit the 12% return over that period. Our minimum investment, again, is $1,000, and we expect that 3% of your return would be paid in cash each year. So just to explain that, as the property generates revenue, we'll pay out a 3% return every year is what we expect. Whatever else is due for you to hit the 12% each year, we kind of catch up with that at the very end when we sell the building. There's also a possibility we'll decide to refinance the project and then keep the building. But if that were to happen, everyone would get paid, and then potentially you could invest in a longer term hold period on the property. So we're excited to launch. We hope that our investors are excited about this project as we are. We're invested in it as well, as we always co-invest with our investors. And we hope to have the project funded in about 60 days.
Hello everyone, Sake here with another Neighborhood Ventures renovation update. This time we are in Central Phoenix at Venture on Marlette. It is located right off of 7th Street and Marlette Avenue. If you'll remember, earlier this year we closed on it in January and renovation started very soon after. So if you'd come on inside, let me show you what we have going on. Since taking over the property, we have began renovations focused on removing all the old appliances, old electrical fixtures, really in preparation to put it all back together. And that's all starting to take place. We'll take a step inside this unit. You'll see that the cabinetry is all removed, new drywall has been in place, all the bathrooms have been gutted, but the surround tile in the shower is going in, as well as in the guest bathroom. So that's what we have going on here at Venture on Marlette. Thank you for tuning in for this little update. Stay tuned for more. I'm Sake, and this has been another Neighborhood Ventures renovation update.
To make these things successful, you have to be in walkable neighborhoods. You have to be places people want to be. You have to be in a place where you have enough amenities in the area that it works out. So our Venture on 66 has all that in downtown Scottsdale.
So we launched our project Venture on 66 about 2.5 weeks ago. We've been busy out talking to investors and we've had a really good response. At this point we have about 75 investors and we're 75% funded to our target. So we're really excited about how well the project has done with our investors. Last week we were at the Arizona Real Estate Investor Association's monthly meeting and talked with a lot of folks there. And we also had a special meeting this week with investors where we talked about a lot of the details about the project.
We're really looking to make this interior accessible, comfortable, and super fresh and modern.
So we've been busy and we've seen some good feedback and results that people believe in the project as much as we do. So the great thing with crowdfunding is that you can go and see how well the project is doing. You can see how many investors have participated and how far we are along with our fundraising goal. We don't know when the project will fully fund or when it will close. So we'd encourage you to go look at the project on our website, create an account, and then by creating an account you can see all the information that you need to make an informed decision. So we'd love to have you participate with us and we look forward to seeing this project be fully completed.
Next time on Inside Look. The team heads out around Phoenix in search of another lucrative investment property. With numerous options across the valley, the team scouts several options before finding the perfect fit. Find out which property was chosen for the next Neighborhood Ventures offering right here on Inside Look.
Hey, so if you like what you see, go ahead and click the subscribe button and you'll find out more about what we're doing.